Why is it that some people take all kinds of supplements, yet their bones and joints still feel weak, while my grandmother at 90 years old stays quick on her feet and flexible simply by eating a few walnuts every day? Here I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can make right at home. Today, I'd like to share with you a very special health-supporting recipe, the same secret my grandmother has followed every day. Thanks to this simple habit, her joints stay flexible and her body full of energy, even in her later years. The best part is, it's incredibly easy to make using only familiar ingredients from the kitchen, like walnuts and dried fruits. This combination provides a rich source of vitamins and minerals that help keep the body strong, boost resistance, and support joint flexibility. First, prepare about 100 grams of walnuts and 100 grams of almonds. These nuts are often called nutritional treasures because they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals for the body. Before using, soak both types of nuts in water for about 3 hours. This simple step not only helps remove their natural bitterness, but also makes them softer, easier to eat, and easier to digest while activating the beneficial enzymes inside. After about 3 hours, take the walnuts out and gently pat them dry with a clean towel. This step helps remove excess moisture, keeping their flavor intact and making them last longer. Walnuts are especially rich in vitamins A, EBC, and K, along with powerful antioxidants. These nutrients help protect cells from the effects of free radicals, which may slow down the aging process and support a more youthful, flexible body. Beyond being good for the skin, walnuts also help support heart health, the nervous system, and joint strength. Next, chop the walnuts into smaller pieces to make them easier to prepare. By the way, I'd love to know more about you. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave me a comment below. I'll be so happy to see how our community is growing and connecting across the world. After chopping, place all the walnuts into a blender. Along with walnuts, almonds are also an incredibly valuable ingredient. After soaking, take the almonds out and gently peel off the thin outer skin. Or leave it on if you prefer, as both ways work just fine. Then pat the almonds dry and chop them into small pieces, just like the walnuts, to get them ready for the next step. Though small in size, almonds are packed with essential minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, all important for supporting healthy bones, blood, and the nervous system. In addition, almonds are rich in unsaturated fatty acids and vitamins, especially vitamin E, which is well known for its strong antioxidant properties. This not only helps keep the skin looking healthy and radiant, but also protects cells against premature aging. Add the chopped almonds into the blender along with the walnuts. Almonds are full of healthy fats that may help lower bad cholesterol, improve circulation, and strengthen blood vessels. That's why they're often called a friend of the heart and are a common part of healthy eating plans. Next, for this recipe, we'll be using raisins, dried prunes, and dried apricots. 3 familiar dried fruits that are also packed with nutrients. Prepare about 100 grams of each. First, rinse each type of dried fruit thoroughly to remove any dust, then pat them dry before using. Raisins are especially rich in potassium, magnesium, and iron key minerals that help support steady heart function, regulate blood pressure, and improve circulation. Potassium and magnesium also play an important role in kidney function, helping the body flush out toxins more effectively. On top of that, the natural antioxidants in raisins help protect the liver and guard against premature cell aging. After patting them dry, place the dried fruits into the blender. Besides raisins, prunes are also a wonderful addition. They're rich in fiber, potassium, and natural bioactive compounds that are especially beneficial for heart health. When enjoyed regularly, prunes may help improve blood circulation, lower bad cholesterol, and support a steady heartbeat. They also have a gentle natural diuretic effect, which helps the kidneys work more efficiently and may reduce swelling or water retention, something older adults often deal with. And then we have dried apricots, a fruit with a naturally sweet tart flavor that's both delicious and nourishing. Dried apricots are especially rich in vitamin K, an important nutrient that supports heart health, aids in proper blood clotting, and helps keep blood vessels strong. They're also packed with minerals, especially potassium, which can help prevent muscle cramps, a common issue for older adults, while supporting muscles to stay flexible and strong. We'll also need one fresh lemon, and since we'll be using the peel as well, it's important to clean it thoroughly. Soak the lemon in a bowl of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of baking soda for about 15 minutes to remove any dirt, chemicals, or preservatives. Then rinse it well under running water and let it dry. This cleaning step is very important because the peel is packed with essential oils and antioxidants that are highly beneficial for your health. Next, cut the lemon into small pieces, making sure to remove the seeds to avoid any bitterness. Lemons are not only well known for helping ward off colds thanks to their high vitamin C content, but they also provide iron, potassium, and other essential minerals. These nutrients work together to help reduce bad cholesterol, improve circulation, and regulate blood pressure. That's why lemon has such a positive effect on supporting heart health, making it especially beneficial for older adults. Finally, add all the chopped lemon pieces into the blender and blend until smooth. Once blended, both the peel and the pulp combine, releasing their essential oils, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants. This not only gives the mixture a refreshing aroma, but also provides wonderful health-supporting benefits, helping to boost immunity and slow down the aging process. To enhance the flavor and bring all the nutritional goodness together, we'll add 100 ml of pure honey. Honey is known for its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also rich in antioxidants. It helps strengthen the immune system, supports heart health, promotes healthy circulation, and can be especially soothing for colds or sore throats when the weather changes. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. When combined with nutrient-rich nuts like walnuts and almonds, along with dried fruits full of vitamins and minerals, this blend becomes a powerhouse of nutrition. It not only provides abundant energy for the body, but also supports joint health thanks to its rich supply of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. At the same time, it helps strengthen the immune system, keeping the body healthy and flexible. Once the mixture is ready, transfer it into a clean glass jar. Seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator to preserve its flavor and nutritional value. Using it is very simple. Each day, take just 1 teaspoon after breakfast. That's when the body absorbs nutrients most effectively. With regular use, you'll soon notice positive changes, more flexible joints, better overall health, and plenty of energy to carry you through the day. To maintain lasting vitality, in addition to enjoying this nutritious blend of nuts, dried fruits, lemon, and honey that we just shared, it's also important to pair it with a healthy lifestyle. Be sure to drink enough water, get regular sleep, and keep up with gentle activities like walking or deep breathing each day. These small but consistent habits will help your body absorb nutrients more effectively, strengthen your immune system, and slow down the aging process. Please remember the recipe in this video is for reference only and does not replace medical advice from your doctor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health tips every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you continued health and peace. See you in the next video.